Welcome to the Wolfram Language in Section 26 of Fast Introduction for Programmers. This section is about connecting the Wolfram Language to external files, programs, and the web. The import and export functions can be used to import and export files in hundreds of formats, including web formats. For example, this uses the import function to import the images from the Wolfram Language website. Formats supported by the import function are listed in the value of the variable $import formats. The Wolfram language can also connect to a variety of application program interfaces, or APIs, to access images, text, user data, datasets, and other information. For example, this uses the MediaWiki API to import elements from a Wikipedia article. Many Internet services support APIs. For example, this sets up a connection to the Flickr API. And this uses that API to search for images on Flickr. The Wolfram language includes a curated device framework that allows direct input from sensors, wearables, and other connected devices. For example, this opens a demo device to simulate raw sensor input. You can read data from that device as a time series. This makes a plot of the data. The built-in image capture function also uses the device framework to capture snapshots from the default local camera. You can use the Embed Code function to create code for calling the Wolfram language from another language. For example, this generates the code required to call an instant API from Java. Finally, you can use the Wolfram Symbolic Transfer Protocol, WSTP, for two-way communication between the Wolfram Computation Engine and a variety of other programs, packages, and functions. For example, this uses JLink to create a connection to the local Java installation, allowing you to load and use Java packages directly from the Wolfram language. The functions in this short program use the Wolfram Symbolic Transfer Protocol to communicate with the Java system to display the current date and time in a standard format. You can find more information about external connections by choosing Wolfram Documentation under the Help menu to bring up the Documentation Center page, clicking the External Interfaces and Connections button, and choosing any of the items from the menu that pops up. For example, choosing Files brings up this page with links to information about the import and export functions and other features for working with external files.